Hippocrates once said, "Let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food." At Trinity School of Natural Health, we wholeheartedly embrace this timeless truth. The way we nourish ourselves shapes every process in the body, fueling our growth, our energy, our mood, and ultimately, the way we experience life itself. We believe food, drink, and mindful nutrition should do more than just sustain us. They should uplift, restore, and nurture our bodies, minds, and spirits. Through our online 16-week Certified Nutritional Consultant program, you will discover how the choices you make at the table and in supplementation can profoundly transform not only your own health, but also your family and your clients. With so many lifestyle-related illnesses on the rise, we simply can't afford not to be educated about what we are putting into our bodies. The CNC program provides a way forward with the knowledge you need to impart this life-changing information to your clients, family, and community. In the Certified Nutritional Consultant program, you will learn client nutrition and supplementation, symptoms and testing to help determine nutritional needs, diet and food-related trends, nutritional recommendations to support clients of varying age, gender, and health status. Take the next step in your educational journey and enroll in our upcoming term to gain the knowledge you need to transform the world, one person at a time.
Take a step toward fulfilling your dreams and join this growing industry to turn your passion for health and wellness into a career. Call 800-428-0408 option 2 to speak with an educational specialist to learn more and enroll, or visit our website.